Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Measured unemployment looks simple, but here is the quick catch. The official rate can miss real joblessness when people stop actively searching for work. The official unemployment rate counts people without jobs only if they are actively looking for one. So the criticism is about who gets left out. Now focus on people who are not working but have stopped searching, often called discouraged workers. They still want employment, but once they quit looking, the rate excludes them. Since they are not actively searching, they are not counted as unemployed, which makes the measured unemployment rate look lower than true joblessness. Well done! Option C, scan now. Trap, rushing past actively looking. Rule, trust the definition given and check each choice against it.